Hello, Velvet.
Yes.
I need your help.
No. Welcome, Loyalty Squad. This is the Velvetlox coming back to you this morning with a wonderful video. Now, I'm going to be showing you the kind of meals that you can prepare, that you can eat while you are on your weight loss journey. So this is another one of those type of videos for you guys, okay? You guys seem to love that, so I'm bringing it again. This morning, I decided for breakfast, I wanted my smoothie. Now, as I was out doing my Thanksgiving Day shopping, grocery shopping, I saw some things in the frozen section that, you guys can purchase also when you're out and about food shopping. Now, they have these wonderful pre-smoothie pouches already prepared, already, blended with different fruits and vegetables, already pre-portioned. Now, this is Quinoa Protein Strength, and this is one of those blenders, okay? This comes with pineapple, bananas, mangoes, and quinoa. And it's pre-cut fruits and quinoa. So you can get one of these pouch bags that's already proportioned with your proper proportion amount, okay? Now, in that pouch came 4 of these little mini bags that's already pre-measured. So what we're going to be doing today is making a smoothie. So you're going to need your personal blender. Now let me show you my new personal NUTRIBULLET blender. I had to buy another one, you guys. The other one gave up the ghost. And when I was ordering, I realized you can get these in different colors. They got like a good 9 to 10 different colors that you can actually order your NUTRIBULLET in. So whatever your color scheme is in your kitchen, you can have the appliance to match. I was so surprised. So this is my new NUTRIBULLET. I got it in rose gold, and I'm in love already. All right, so now I wanted some spinach. Need my iron. So I washed some spinach, about a cup of spinach or so. And also, I feel for some dates. Now, dates are wonderful for, making you go. So I'm just going to pop like 2 dates in my blender cup. I purchased this at my local supermarket. Okay, fancy pitted dates. Next, I'm going to pour in one of these pouches of fruits. Okay. It's already frozen. If you choose, you want to put some ice to this, you can put some ice to it. Alright, so like I said, this has bananas, pineapples, mangoes, and lastly, it also comes with a pouch of quinoa. Alright. Oh, damn it. Okay, so I'm just going to pour that inside my cup as well. And this is another thing that you can actually put in your smoothie for fiber to help fill you up even more. Now, listen, this is an additional. I'm going to put my FSA powder in here. This is my flaxseed, sunflower seed, and almond powder because I want that extra protein. And lastly, I'm going to put a cup of my almond breeze milk inside my cup. Okay? Okay, so now that our fruits are nicely blended, now it's time to have breakfast. Okay, so this morning I made my green tea with lemon juice in there. So I'm going to drink this first, and then I'm going to have my wonderful quinoa protein smoothie. And I'll join you on the next meal. Welcome YouTube family, this is the Velvetlox introducing to you my new channel, and this channel is called Velvet Vlogs. On this channel you will see hair videos, skincare videos, as well as family vlogs, okay? So check it out, go down below, click those links, and subscribe as well as turn on your notification bell, and I will see you there.